is very rare that theatre productions come to us, and if they do, it's really, really costly. And the cohort that we've got just wouldn't be able to access it. We sadly don't offer performance arts separately, so we embed drama and theatre into the English curriculum, and we just wanted to bring the love of theatre to the students for them to actually see what it's all about, get the idea that when they read a text as it is a play, it's actually there to be performed. So we wanted something that was bringing theatre to them. When we moved into the classroom, it has been this term really, because we started studying Shakespeare. Now, obviously, a lot of our students are second language students, so even Old English is completely different to them. So what it's done is actually allow them to visualise what is going on. So that was the element where the students were really engaged in it. But we've also got staff that aren't subject specialists, so it meant that with the resources that are available, they felt more confident teaching, they understood the end goal, and now they feel confident enough to plan lessons themselves from the resources that are available on the platform. What has really been helpful is that we are very focused on student-led learning, so it's scaffolded and supported for students to learn on their own. We've also liked the element of some of the quizzes that we've used in English lessons to revise literary devices. And it's just been a whole cohort of adapting as well as using what's there, and it's a real flexible platform to do that. It's not locked, it's not constricted. We can mould it into what suits our needs best. Digital Theatre Plus has not only actually had an impact on the classroom, it's had an impact on our community and our culture. We have kids now that are so excited about theatre, they're even looking at it in academic reasons and career choices. We've had students come in and tell us all about the fact that their family have watched something at the weekend and it's felt like they've actually gone out on an outing, which has been obviously very, very rare due to the pandemic situation. It's given us a sense of normality, and it's really grown the arts within our community. So it's been a platform that's brought us all together so that we're a lot more cohesive. We can collaborate and we can create something that is matched to not only what the curriculum and the KHDA standards require here, but it can meet the British curriculum standards and make sure that we are confident as a team delivering something that not all team members are actually necessarily familiar or experts in. And it's made them much more confident teachers. It's ensured that they have been more innovative in their teaching, and that students most of all have enjoyed it. The creative subjects that are more practical allow students to be more fully immersed, so they tend to enjoy it more. And what Digital Theatre Plus has done has made that experience more immersive within an English classroom. The resources that are available are tailored towards English as well as drama and theatre studies. They look at all the assessment objectives that are on the curriculum. They look at language analysis, which is focused more these days. And it allows the students to be critical thinkers, which is key in creating 21st century learning.